Goinso Ekworth, along with the locals of Pale Velsaon, shut the survey work of double tracking at Velsaon. Meanwhile, the Shandor Panchayat filed a complaint with the CRZ complaining that their fields have been spoiled due to the double tracking work. Locals said they are fighting for their land since 2008. The issue is pending in court. 1 month ago, officials came, cut some trees, put some poles, and did some marketing. However, locals say that this is private land and the government should immediately scrap this project.
न्हू हें आयज पळय रेल्वे फॉर द लास्ट 1 मंथ कंटिन्युअसली येता, कोणाच्या घरान वयता, कोणाच्या प्रॉपर्टीन वयता, झाडां कातरता, हील कातरता, मार्किंग्स करता, पोल्स घालता. अरे जेन्ना एक्विजिशन प्रोसिजर काबार जावना, जेन्ना लँड ओनरांनी फ्रॉम 2008 ओपोज करता आनी ह्या पयले लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड आशिल्लो, तेजे उपरांत फेर कॉम्पेन्सेशन एक्ट आशिल्लो, तेजे उपरांत रेल्वे एक्ट, सगळ्या एक्टान लँड ओनरांनी ओपोज केला. त्या भायर मॅटर सब ज्युडिस आहा, कोर्टान आसा, हायकोर्टान आसा, सुप्रीम कोर्टान आसा. जेन्ना मॅटर सब ज्युडिस आहा आनी लँड ओनरांनी दिवना, तुमी कशे प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन येता? कसलो अधिकार तुमकां आसा की लोकांचे प्रॉपर्टीन वचोन सर्वे करपाक? सो आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक आनी रेल्वे ऑथॉरिटीक सांगपाक सोदता की हें बिहार न्हू, हें गोंय आमी लोक एड्युकेटेड लोक आसा, आमकां खबर आसा आमकां कितें बरें आनी कितें वायट तें. आख्ख्या गोंयाक खबर आसा, गोंयचे पंचायतींनी पास केलेलें आसा हो डबल ट्रॅकिंग येता कोलाक लागून. सो आमकां कोल नाका. आतां खूद ह्या ट्रॅकीचेर पळय हांव उबो रावता, त्या ट्रॅकीचेर तुवें पळयलो जाल्यार कोल आसा. पूण आमी असलें डिस्ट्रक्टीव प्रोजेक्ट आमी कशें एक्सेप्ट करतले? आनी गांवचे लोक पळय आसा, आयज लँड जाल्लो स्केर जाला, लँड मेळना कोणाक, आनी ह्या ते लँड तुमी व्हरता म्हणून उरला न्ही कितें गोंयकारांक? सो हे फिशींग विलेज आसा पयली ही एरिया, आनी आमी गोंयचे फिशरमॅन हो पळय प्रोजेक्ट पळय फिशरमॅनाक पळय एगेन्स्ट येता, आयज तेंची घरां डिफीट जाता, ते अपोज करपाक आमी सगळे गोंयचे लोक आनी गोंयचे फिशरमॅन जाय जाल्यार आमी उबे रावतले आनी सरकाराक सांगून सोदता की हो प्रोजेक्ट ताबडतोब फाटीं घेवचो म्हणून.
Since March 20, we are facing the slot. They are we have been living for peaceful coexistence with rail for the single narrow gauge railway. Today it is a broad gauge and transporting coal. Today our people are suffering because of this coal pollution, water degradation, and things like that. And now they are coming with the second track. When the single track what we are having, we are unable to sustain it ecologically. There is hill cutting that has taken place overnight, which you can see in the background. And without authorization, these are all private properties. Today the railway is claiming that land adjacent to the single track is their land, whereas this has been kept for us by our ancestors, 10 meters on either side. But railways are claiming that 23.5 meters on the western side belongs to them, and for that they don't have absolutely no documentation. We have repeatedly asked them for documentation and to follow the procedure, even if they want to conduct a survey, but no procedure is being followed. So the villagers have decided that no survey work will take place, and Goinso Ekworth is with the villagers. We have letters here which we are going to address. We have addressed to the PI, Verna Police Station, and another one to the Deputy Collector of Forest for illegal tree felling. Trees have been felled in private properties. Are this the way of the government that they want to subject us to this?
Shandor Panchayat complained to the CRZ that their fields were spoiled due to double tracking work at Girdoli. Acting on the complaint, Mamladar conducted the inspection of the site. TCP officials were also present. Locals alleged railway platform is being built, destroying fields only to facilitate coal transport. The industrial garbage is being dumped into the field, which could pose a hazard to people's health, and Zuari waters could be polluted, locals said.
Felix Hurtado, Kaveri Chandar resident. आम्ही आज आमकां मामलादारान थिंगा रेल्वे ट्रॅका कडेन डबल ट्रॅकिंग करता थिंगा आमकां इन्स्पेक्शना फिक्स केल्लें आनी तेंगेले सगळे TCPचे PWDचे मागीर मामलादार ऑफिस AK सगळे येयलो आहा हिंगा सर्वे करपाक सर्वे डिपार्टमेंट ऑल्सो आनी तेणी इन्स्पेक्शन केलां we are awaiting their report. But whatever we see now, आमकां पयलें WRDन हें केल्लें inspection, and they had given us certain directions to the railways that they have to do certain things, and that report is with us. In February, that report was given. Till today, nothing has been done. They have only destroyed further what we had shown earlier. They have destroyed further. Now I don't know what this inspection will entail to. We are waiting results, but we were disappointed that CZMP people were not present here. And river is another issue here which they have already buried. They have destroyed our sluice gates and all that. WRD is given report. But CZMP part, there was nobody to do. Now AK is saying that he will forward the report.
Hiru Mahale and Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Vasco and Margao.